Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, let me just say, please excuse my audio. I do not have my mic today, but in today's video we will be cooking. You need an onion, some potatoes, carrots, rice, and of course some curry sauce because we're going to be making curry. First thing you want to do is wash your vegetables, of course. Make sure you get all that dirt off. I'm peeling my carrots, even though they're organic, but I don't like the skin, so I peeled them. I'm going to chop them and cut them small, but not too small. And I'm going to make sure I do that for both of the carrots that I have here. So I'm going to make a quick disclaimer here. I know you guys can see that I'm chopping kind of weird, but if I'm chopping crazy, y'all, just let me be. I'm no chef, okay? I'm just trying to eat, alright? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is chop my potatoes, and I'm going to make sure that these are chopped very chunky because that's the way that they are in most curry recipes, and I'm going to leave the skin on because it is the healthiest for you. Next, you want to go ahead and chop your onion, and you want to make sure that it is finely chopped. Before, I am not a chef, so these are not really finely chopped, but they need to be. So you go ahead and put all your vegetables in a pot except for the onions, and put water over them to cover. I put 2.5 cups, but that's because I have a big pan and I have a lot of veggies too. Put it on the stove and turn it on high and just let it boil. You're going to put the top over it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is put some oil on the skillet so that I can place my finely diced onions into the pan and saute that for about 5 to 6 minutes because you're going to be using that for your curry sauce. Okay, now it's time to make our rice, and you're going to need 1.5 cups of rice and then 2 cups of water. So you go ahead and you put it in the pot, doesn't matter, rice or water first, doesn't matter. And you're going to put it on the stove, put it on high until it starts boiling. Then you want to turn it down to low and cover it for about 15 minutes. Your potatoes and carrots are done, so now it is time to put them in a strainer. Get all that water off and just let them sit and rest for a while you make your curry sauce. For your curry sauce, you're going to go ahead and simmer some water in your onions, and then you're going to put a portion of the curry sauce into there until it melts inside. Make sure that your vegetables and your carrots are in there as well. And you can have it thick or thin. It's your choice because it is your curry. Okay, so it is now time to plate. You go ahead and put your rice in the bowl and put your curry on top, or you can do it the other way around and put your curry at the bottom and then put your rice on top. Any way you choose to do it, it's your bowl, you're eating it. So we are finished, so let's taste this curry, and it's good, y'all. So let's see. Oh, it's Japanese. It's Japanese instant curry, my sister says. So yeah, it's good. All right. So I can't see myself. Thank you. I got my sister holding the mirror back there because I cannot see. It's funny. Anyways, okay. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more videos like this. If you do, make sure that you like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!